People want to start affiliate marketing. I wanted to start, but my friend said it's a scam. Your friend has not done affiliate marketing before. He's now the one telling you that it's a scam. Where did he get his knowledge from? It's just like me now. I never fly plane before, but I tell you, don't try fly plane, you go crash. Whenever fly plane, how I take no say, if you enter that plane, you go crash. That's just how it sounds when you allow people that don't even have any knowledge about something to advise you. You don't want to be listening to people that you don't want to be like. You need to do above average things if you want to live an above average life. It is what you do that will determine what you will become. So if you are doing average things, you become an average person. You do above average things, you become an above average person. It is as simple as that. It's not rocket science. It's ABC. 1 plus 1 will always be 2. No matter you want to do 1 plus 1 can never be 7. 1 plus 1 will always be 2. That's just the principle of life. If you do what other successful people are doing, you will eventually become successful. So if you do what other average persons are doing, what do you think will happen? You become average too.